Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate Zoho CRM with WhatsApp. First, understand that connecting these two powerful platforms can significantly boost your customer interactions. This integration allows your sales and support teams to communicate directly with clients using their preferred messaging app, all while keeping a complete record within your CRM. It's about creating a seamless, efficient, and highly personalized customer experience, saving your team valuable time every day. There are primarily two ways to integrate Zoho CRM with WhatsApp. You can utilize direct extensions found within the Zoho CRM marketplace, which often offer straightforward setup and essential functionalities. Alternatively, many businesses opt for third-party integration platforms. These often provide more advanced features, greater customization, and the ability to connect with other tools. Choosing the right method depends on your specific business requirements and desired level of automation. Setting up your integration is quite straightforward. Begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM marketplace from your admin panel. Search for WhatsApp integration and select an extension that fits your needs. The installation process usually involves just a few clicks and granting necessary permissions. Once installed, you'll configure settings such as message templates for quick replies, automated notifications, and how conversations are logged. This ensures your team can start communicating effectively in minutes. To truly maximize your integration, leverage its full potential. Implement automated WhatsApp messages for lead nurturing, appointment reminders, and customer support queries. Every conversation will be automatically logged against the relevant contact in Zoho CRM, providing a complete communication history. This unified view helps your team deliver consistent, personalized service. Regularly review your communication analytics to identify trends and continuously refine your messaging strategy for optimal engagement and conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.